This is the 6th of 11 training modules that focus on recognizing, reporting, and preventing adult abuse, neglect, and exploitation. In this module, we will discuss the importance of understanding your person's communication styles. Session goals include understanding that behaviors are a person's way of communicating unmet needs, learning to understand what your person is communicating, as well as learning how to manage communication stress. All behavior is communication. Behavior may be defined as the manner of conducting oneself and the action or reaction of any individual under given circumstances. We all have behaviors, good and bad. It is important to understand that when your person has a behavior, he or she is actually trying to communicate an unmet need. Understanding this is one of the best ways to prevent abuse, neglect, and exploitation. What is your person trying to communicate? Some actions and attitudes of your person may cause you frustration, stress, or anxiety, and could be a sign of your person's unmet needs. Your response to your person's unmet needs may be a potential risk factor for abuse, neglect, and/or exploitation. What types of communication make supporting your person a challenge? Potential reasons for the way your person communicates include physical and medical, social and emotional, cultural and environmental. On the following slides are some questions you can ask to understand what your person is trying to communicate. Regarding physical and medical, ask, is your person in pain? Is there an infection? Is your person hot, cold, or hungry? Are there any medications that may be causing the change? Does your person have medical devices that help him or her communicate successfully? More relevant questions include, are there cognitive limitations? Does your person have dementia? Does your person appear depressed? And can your person understand questions or requests? Questions to ask regarding communication from a social and emotional standpoint include, was your person startled or surprised? Is your person sensing your stress or bad mood? Does your person feel threatened? Was he or she treated badly by someone else? Are there generational differences? Is your person lonely, frustrated, scared, or sad? What losses or trauma has your person experienced? Is your person trying to regain control of his or her life? Is he or she simply having a bad day? Culturally, it is important to take the time to learn about your person's cultural background. Regarding his or her communication, ask, is this cultural? Is this a family tradition or custom? Does your person have a religious preference? Environmental factors are a big influence on how and why your person is communicating in certain ways. Ask yourself, is the environment loud? Is it hectic? Is it cluttered? Is your person in an area he or she does not like? Is your person surrounded by people he or she does not like? Does your person's response typically occur at a certain time each day? Why is it important to know what your person's behavior is communicating? Because it helps you identify what your person needs and wants. To help your person meet his or her needs and wants, and it helps you get to know your person better. In regards to understanding communication, recall a recent stressful situation that involved your person. Think about how you handled that situation, and could you have handled it differently? We can all benefit from learning to become more effective communicators. The following are some helpful tips to assist with communicating with your person. Develop a relationship with your person. Learn your person's moods and needs. Avoid labeling negative communications as behaviors. Learn what unmet needs your person is trying to communicate to you. Finally, don't forget to use your sense of humor. There are numerous benefits of humor, not the least of which is an improvement in overall health and well-being. Humor can also help your communication skills and boost your morale. When we can find joy and laughter in the small things or in life's disappointments, it makes challenging tasks and situations feel a bit lighter. Humor can be used very effectively as a coping mechanism for challenging moments or conversations. When used appropriately, humor can de-escalate stressful situations and, during conflict, to help break tension. Humor and laughter increase energy by reducing stress. Here are some ways to add humor into your life. Share something funny with others. Watch humorous videos or movies. Tell someone a joke. See if you can find humor in stressful situations. Surround yourself with funny people and laugh at yourself. If you need a boost, humor is one sure way to improve your physical, mental, and emotional state. It's one of the most effective ways to communicate and reduce stress. Remember to report suspicions of abuse, neglect, or exploitation by calling Centralized Intake's toll-free number at 855-444-3911 anytime, night or day. Thank you for your participation in this training session. It's important to understand what your person is communicating through their words and actions. Learning how to defuse stress benefits everyone and improves relationships. Please join us for the next training module, Active Listening.